It is April and 2010, and I'm making a video as I'm about to enter the state of Iowa. While I'm on my way to the Chicago area, look at the fucking weather. And the Twin Cities are supposed to get odd inches of snow tomorrow, but the snow has already fucking started and it's ends though. This is unfucking believable. And yes, my fucking camera makes upside down videos, which really fucking sucks and blows. E-miles left in Minnesota. I've gone. They say there's no fucking climate change. We never got major snowstorms like year after fucking year after fucking year in Minnesota in April. I mean, last year I rented a car and had to worry about the fucking car getting towed in the parking lot. I don't know if it's gonna be that bad where they'll have to plow the lot, because it was never bad enough for there to be a snow emergency until last year. Oh God, a car in a ditch and an accident. Oh God. There's a way I can turn this so it's... Oh, this is unfucking believable. And my videos are going to be upside down. For every driving video, it's going to be up fucking side down. And about to enter the state of Iowa. The other older cameras, regular camcorders I use, the videos don't come in upside down, but the fucking has so much fucking noise cancellation, you can't hear what I'm saying half the fucking time. 2 miles to the state of Iowa. Looks like it's more like it's sleeting, and eventually it's gonna probably about 100 miles from now to be all rain. Oh my God, when I went through Albert Lee, there must have been at least 2 or 3 inches on the roads. Had to be plowed. Here there seems to already be less snow than there was just a couple of miles ago. God, this is unbelievable. And it was a nightmare because my fucking videos were upside down. That set me back from even getting the fuck out of there. And there's gonna be a huge fucking snowstorm in the Twin Cities tomorrow. Now it might miss, or it might be all rain, or part of the snow might go to the north. It could still happen anyway. I was hoping that would be the storm last year. So I went to the Chicago area. You know, I was in Irton and Ifton and Ixton and Otten and Onton. And the only years that didn't have a fucking major snowstorm was while I was in and Ifton and Ixton. And it looks like already the worst of it's passing. I hope. Only 1 mile to the state of Iowa. I'll probably stop at... I have to take a piss, so I stop at an Iowa Welcome Center. I hope the damn video is coming out okay. I know it's bad up to me. There was some fucking weird shit that came when I opened up the camera. This is already be getting better. All it had to be is 100 miles worth of snow. I mean, every fucking trip, I never thought to Atlanta last November would I get caught in fucking snow in Kentucky. It was fucking unbelievable in November. That almost unfucking heard of until all of a sudden. Does that mean there ain't no global warming bullshit? Of course there is. It's causing extreme weather. I mean, everything from extreme weather, extreme fires. And my fucking anxiety is bad because of this shit. Almost enough. Yeah, next video, I just hope I didn't change the name of the video. I hope that didn't happen. I am entering Iowa right now. Oh my God. And it's still snowing. Well, just because I enter Iowa doesn't mean it's snowing. It seems like it's more sleeting right now. They said that was going to do this like rain this afternoon. It may scoop this shit immediately. Oh God, my videos, all my driving videos are going to be up. The other videos won't be. I have no fucking choice because that's how it got set up. And I don't realize that until after I set the fucking thing up. Of course, it was set up the wrong way. Looking for the Iowa Welcome Center. I don't know how long it feels more like it's kind of raining than snowing. To the south of this, it's coming from the south. The snow is on the north end. There's been some fucking accidents already. Oh, that's just for the Picks, not the Welcome Center. I can't figure out how to turn this fucking thing. I'm afraid I'll fuck it up if I try turning it. God, it takes forever to learn how to even snap the camera, the phone in. I think it was off the last fucking minute. I'm gonna get a new map in that, so I gotta take a piss. Miles. Like, once I get on Unta, there's no rest areas. Hopefully it won't be any of this shit. Hopefully it'll be passed, so it's nothing but rain. On my 11 miles of the Missouri state line. Of course, I'm not going to Missouri. I'm already delayed further because of this fucking shit. I'm going about 4 odd miles an hour. It was worse, a lot worse than this further back. Yeah, it's more rain now than it is. It may have snowed earlier. It's definitely more rain than, or possibly sleet. So I should be done with the worst of this weather, hopefully. Yeah, at least Todd helped me with the flipping the video. My fucking computer's running hot, so I gotta fucking have that taken in and looked at. And that's been going on since 2010 minutes. Then when in cold video, it's gonna fucking damage it. It's running way hot. It's still out of the worst of the danger though. I think once you get a little, probably even enter it out south, will probably just be all rain. In fact, it's probably coming up this way anyway as rain. So far, I haven't forgotten anything. I almost forgot my fucking teeth. And, oh god, I'm old. I have to have dentures. Oh god, that really sucks. Not total dentures, at least. If you don't have any teeth, though, you can suck someone's dick and you don't have to worry about biting their dick. I think the levels, shit, I can't run minutes. Yeah. Lot longer than usual. You get a free map and then hopefully the worst of this shit will be over. I'm lucky enough to at least dodge the snowstorm, but I dodged out. I knew I was an urchin. I was able to dodge every snowstorm during my Well, except this sun. The welcome center was supposed to be this way. Yeah, it seems like it's switching over to rain already. And it started out as the further south you go. I'm just glad I'm going to be in the Chicago to miss. They're saying 5 to odd inches of snow with if the mile-hour winds. Fucking if the mile, that's beyond tropical storm winds. Where's the fucking welcome center? Well, that's a good fucking question. Well, I don't know. It's got to be this way. I don't know what the fucking signs. Yeah, it's very slushy here. It's even like in Albert Lee, it was more solid snow. Come and go. I don't fucking have to pay $11 a gallon for gas. Very welcome center. So just knowing it started out snowing, so it could be sleeting now, but it looks like it has switched to rain. So it looks like I'm spared about getting caught up. I'm already delayed. I'm hoping to get the old Golden Corral in Algonquin, Illinois to get the lunch prices. That's getting less and less hopeful, getting caught up in this shit. I've only got 5 hours to get there. Oh, God. Well, let's hope that my trip turns out good. I don't have any bullshit to deal with. I can deal without the shit. I'm going to stop the video. This will hopefully be the only driving video during my trip in snow.